What happens when your AI assistant can't see its own skills? When it drops your messages while thinking? When it promises to check your calendar but checks yesterday's instead? This week we rebuilt Buildify Flow from the ground up. 41 commits, 2 days. Here's what changed and why it matters. The system prompt was 145,000 characters. That's a short novel shoved into every single LLM call. 75% of it was skill documentation the model couldn't even process. The result? Ask, what skills do I have? And it says none. The fix? Strip it down to 29K characters. Compact descriptions, on-demand loading. Now the model actually reads its own skill list. 82 skills, visible and working. The old bot processed messages one at a time. While it was thinking about your first question, your second and third messages vanished. Gone. Silently dropped. We decoupled polling from processing with an async queue and debounce batching. Send 5 messages in a row and they all get handled. 0 dropped. The heartbeat was 1052 lines of hard-coded Python, meeting prep logic, calendar lookups, health monitors, OKR checks, all baked into code. We replaced it with 230 lines that read a markdown file. Want the bot to check your calendar every 15 minutes? Add a line to the file. Want it to stop? Delete the line. The file is the config. The bot used to ask, "You have a prior conversation. Continue where you left off." Every time you came back after 30 minutes. Nobody wants that. We replaced it with silent auto reset. Come back after 4 hours. Your session resets quietly. Important facts preserved in memory. You just talk and get answers. Scheduled reminders were broken. You'd say, "Check my email at 9:45 every day," and the bot would say, "Done." But nothing was actually saved. The wrong tool was being called. And even when reminders were saved, the time comparison used local time against UTC values. Nothing fired. We fixed the routing, fixed the droughtingments, and reminders actually work now. The model was refusing direct requests. Test all my skills. I cannot fulfill this request. 4 times it argued. We added 1 line to the personality. Never refuse a direct user request. Start working. Now it tests skills, finds real bugs, reports them. Tool failures were invisible. The bot would try to run a script that doesn't exist, then tell you, "I started the process." Hallucinated success. Now, failures are logged right in the conversation. The model can't claim success when the error is staring it in the face. Security fix. The model was reading your .env file to check credentials. API keys showing up in conversation history. We blocked it. To check if a tool works, call it. Don't read config files. We migrated from the old Teams bot to a gateway architecture. Dual backend support. Polling for current permissions. Webhook ready for the future. The concierge adapter bridges the LLM streaming interface into the gateway protocol. Everything preserved, architecture modernized. Calendar finally works. A dedicated workflow using the Calendar View API with proper date filtering. Ask, "Check my calendar," and you get today's actual meetings, not yesterday's. Email triage in 1 command. The inbox workflow now uses the triage endpoint. Unread messages with key metadata, instant summary. 17 dead teen tools removed. Transparency framework relics from 2024 that never actually worked. 10 Mac-only skills disabled on this Linux server. The tool list went from 125 down to 108. Less noise, better results. By the numbers, 41 commits. System prompt down 80%. Heartbeat down 78%. 0 messages dropped. Reminders firing. Skills visible. Model obedient. This is Buildify Flow becoming a real platform.